with the grammar lesson number 2. The name of this lesson is a and the articles. We have done this earlier, we have done the articles, but now we will be studying we will be having the extra knowledge of articles. So let's start. A and the are known as articles. What are they known as? Articles. A and the. A is used before all common nouns in singular number that starts with consonant. Means when the word starts with consonant and is a singular in number, at that time we use a. For example, a car, a jug, a boy, a book, a dress, a house. These all words are starting with consonant and plus they are in single number. That's why we use a. Understood? Yes. An is used before common noun in singular number that starts with vowel. Now what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Correct. These are called as vowels. So the word which starts with vowel and which is singular in number, at that time we use an. What we use? We use an. Now there is one special rule for an. An is also used before words beginning with a silent H. There are few words which starts with H, which has silent H in that word. At that time we use an. For example, an hour. Honorable. We don't say honorable. We say honorable. And in that the H is silent. That's why we use an in the word in front of the word honorable or are or honest. What we use? We use an. Correct. Now let's see for the. Okay. Now point out specifically to noun that are one of their kind. For example, the sun, the star, the universe, the moon. These are all single things, right? These are special things. At that time we use the. Okay, these are nouns, but they are pointing out the speciality of something. They are special in themselves. That's why we are using the. The is used before names of books, historical buildings, rivers, mountains, people of community or religion, directions, etc. For all these things, we use the in front of these words. For example, the Ganga, the Indian Ocean, the Red Fort, then the Taj Mahal, the Himalayas. We use the in front of these words. Okay, let's do this quick small activity. The first one we will be doing, write the correct article. We have to write a or an before each noun. Okay, so let's see. Dash igloo. Now what is igloo? Which is the first word? I. It is vowel or consonant? It is vowel. So we will be using an. Dash bench. Now B, bench starts with B. So it is consonant. So we will be using a. Banana. It starts with consonant. So a. Kitten. Kitten. K starts with, K is a consonant. So a. Tree. T starts with consonant. So A. Football. F. F is consonant. So a. Inch. Inch starts with I. So we will be writing an inch. Owl. O starts with, O is vowel. So what we will write? We will write an. Eagle. E is a vowel. So we will be writing an. Tiger. T is a vowel. So we will be writing a. Yes. Question number 2. Underline the correct article a, an or the in each sentence. John wanted to read the comic book. It is the name of a book. We are specifying that he is reading a comic book. So there it will be the. John wanted to read the comic book. Yes. Next. The class went on a field trip. F. F is a vowel? No. The H is silent in this word? No. So we will be using a. The class went on a field trip. Next, third one. He likes to read an or the Ramayana. Ramayana is specifying itself. So we will be using the. Lisa has an orange colored umbrella. Orange. Orange word starts with an vowel. So we will be using an. I quickly ate the or an cookies. I quickly ate the cookies because C is a consonant and it is specified that he is eating cookies. So we will be using the. Okay. Now let's do this. Question number 1. Use a, an or the suitably and fill in the blanks. The teacher gave me dash ink pot. Now the word starts with vowel. So we're using an. So the teacher gave me an ink pot. She saw dash bird in dash sky. She saw a bird in the sky. My mother works in a school, but my father works in the office. I did not like the film. I did not like the film. The Yamuna flows through Delhi. The next, I had an egg, an orange, and a chapati for breakfast. Mahabharata was written by Ved Vyasa. The Mahabharata was written by Ved Vyasa. I lost an eye and an ear in accident. Bruce is an honorable man. Please look after Neetu for just an hour. Understood? Yes, you just have to check the word before after underline whether it is starting with vowel or consonant and you have to write it accordingly. Understood? Yes. Question number 2. Use a, an or the and write the names under each picture. What is the picture? Yes. The sun. A cow. A watch. An apple. A hen. The Taj Mahal. An egg. An aeroplane. And the Qutub Minar. Understood the lesson? Yes, it's the easiest lesson. The articles, you have to complete this lesson and you have to send it for checking. Okay? Bye.